Now we have perhaps the biggest measure generally employed in Sanskrit poetry, that is Sraddhara. Sraddhara literally means a maiden with a garland. Srak dharati iti Sraddhara. Sraddhara is a yeti prabala meter. After every 7 letter, Sesura occurs. So 21 divided into 3. At 3 places, including the Padanta yati, we have the Sesura. A verse from Venkatadhari's Vishwagunadarshi Champu in praise of Rama and his name. Kalyanollasa Seema Kalayatu Kushalam Kalamegha Abhirama Kachitsake Tadhama Bhavagahana Klantihari Pranama Saundarya Krina Kama Dritajanaka Suta Sadara Pangadama Dikshu Prakhyata Bhuma Divishadabhinuta Devata Ramanama. I shall repeat. Kalyanollasa Seema Kalayatu Kushalam Kalameghabhirama Kachitsake Tadhama Bhavagahanagati Klantihari Pranama Saundarya Krina Kama Dritajanaka Suta Sadara Pangadama Dikshu Prakhyata Bhuma Divishadabhinuta Devata Ramanama. Generally, for a bombastic verse, Sraddhara is made for it. A verse from Dindima Bhatta, a court poet of Vijayanagar kings. Ukti pratyukti marga krama parichayava nasti kaschit vipaschit yadyasmin swasti tasmai budhavara samitau bibhyadabhyagato bhoot bhankurvat bheka kukshim bharisho bhaya barodbhrant bhogindra subhru bhruna bhramshi kimambha panisho patagarat sambhrami bambramiti. So, mouthful utterance can be realized in Sraddhara.